Hello all the lovely people, welcome back to Nikhil's Gourmet Food. Please subscribe to Nikhil's Gourmet Food. Also press the bell notification to get regular updates of my videos. So today's recipe is on public demand, creamy and delicious vanilla ice cream from scratch. So let's get started with the recipe. This recipe requires minimum ingredients. No fancy ingredients are used in the recipe. So in a kadhai, add 750 ml of milk and let it boil for 15 minutes. After it boils, let it reduce to half. This will also make the milk little thick in its consistency. After the milk is reduced to half, we are going to add milk powder. Now whisk it continuously, or else there is a possibility of lump formation if you will not do this properly. Now to the mixture, add 1 cup of sugar. Then add vanilla essence to it and mix the whole mixture properly. After everything is mixed completely, you can switch off the gas flame. Now add cream to it and mix it properly. This is the perfect consistency which we want. Now to make the mixture smooth and lump free, we are going to sieve it through a sieve. Now it's the time to freeze this mixture. So for that, transfer it to a container. Cover it with aluminium foil or a parchment paper and keep the container in the freezer for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. After 5 to 6 hours, you can remove it from the freezer and enjoy as it is, or you can scoop it out and place it on a brownie and drizzle some chocolate sauce over it. Your vanilla ice cream with chocolate brownie is ready. Do try it out and let me know. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, you can watch my playlist. Also, if you want to make this brownie at home, check out my video for that. The link is in the description below.